Are you tired of sifting through countless miter saw options, trying to find the perfect one for your woodworking projects? Well, fret no more. In today's video, we've done the hard work for you and narrowed down the top 5 DEWALT miter saws that are sure to take your woodworking game to the next level. From powerful sliding compound saws to portable cordless options, we've got you covered. And I also mentioned all product links in the description box. Let's dive right into the top 5 lists. Number 1. DEWALT DWS 779 Sliding Compound Miter Saw. This DEWALT miter saw is a powerful and versatile tool that will elevate your woodworking projects to new heights. With its impressive features and cutting-edge technology, this miter saw is a game changer for both professionals and enthusiasts. Its 15-amp motor, which delivers ample power for smooth and precise cuts through various materials. Whether you're working with hardwood, plywood, or even aluminum, this miter saw can handle it with ease. The sliding compound feature allows you to make accurate bevel cuts and crosscuts, giving you the flexibility to tackle a wide range of projects. The saw's sliding mechanism ensures smooth operation and extends the cutting capacity to handle larger workpieces. Here are some pros. Powerful 15-amp motor, sliding compound feature for versatility, extended cutting capacity, integrated XPS cross-cut positioning system for enhanced precision. Cons: relatively heavy and bulky, not the most portable option. Number 2. DEWALT DWS 715 Compound Miter Saw. The DEWALT DWS 715 Compound Miter Saw is a reliable and efficient tool that caters to both professional woodworkers and enthusiasts. It offers a combination of power, precision, and durability, making it a top choice in its category. With its 15-amp motor, the DWS 715 provides ample power to tackle a variety of cutting tasks. Whether you're working on trim projects or larger construction projects, this miter saw can handle it with ease. The 12-inch blade and compound feature enables you to make bevel cuts and miter cuts with high precision. The bevel capacity ranges from 0 to 48 degrees to the left and 0 to 3 degrees to the right, allowing you to achieve a wide range of angles. Here are some pros. Powerful 15-amp motor, precise bevel and miter cuts, tall sliding fences for crown and base molding, lightweight and portable design. Cons: limited cutting capacity compared to sliding compound miter saws. Number 3. DEWALT DCS 361B Cordless Miter Saw. The DEWALT DCS 361B cordless miter saw brings convenience and flexibility to your woodworking projects. As a cordless option, this miter saw allows you to work without the limitations of power cords, making it a portable and versatile choice. It doesn't compromise on power. It features a 20-volt max battery system that delivers ample power to tackle various cutting tasks. The battery system is compatible with other DEWALT tools, providing a convenient power solution. This miter saw is equipped with a 7/1/4-inch blade, which may be smaller compared to larger miter saws, but it still offers a respectable cutting capacity. It can handle materials up to 3 to 5/8 inches nested and 2x8 inches dimensional lumber at 90 degrees. Here are some pros. Cordless design for portability, compatible with DEWALT's 20-volt max battery system, integrated XPS cross-cut positioning system, compact and lightweight. Cons: smaller blade and cutting capacity compared to larger miter saws. Number 4. DEWALT DWS 780 Sliding Compound Miter Saw. This miter saw is a high-performance tool that stands out in terms of power, precision, and durability. Designed for professionals and serious woodworkers, this miter saw delivers exceptional results. Powered by a 15-amp motor, the DWS 780 offers unmatched cutting power and performance. It can effortlessly handle hardwood, softwood, and a variety of other materials, making it suitable for both rough and fine woodworking projects. With a 12-inch blade, the DWS 780 offers an impressive cutting capacity. It can cut through materials up to 2 into 16 inches at 90 degrees and 2 into 12 inches at 45 degrees, making it ideal for a wide range of applications, from framing to trim work. Here are some pros. Powerful 15-amp motor, sliding compound feature for versatility, extended cutting capacity, integrated XPS cross-cut positioning system for enhanced precision. Cons: relatively heavy and bulky, not the most portable option. Number 5. DEWALT DWS 716 XPS Compound Miter Saw. This miter saw combines power, precision, and ease of use to deliver exceptional performance. Whether you're a professional contractor or a woodworking enthusiast, this miter saw is a reliable tool to have in your arsenal. With a 15-amp motor, it offers ample power to tackle a wide range of cutting tasks. It delivers smooth and precise cuts through various materials, ensuring excellent results every time. The miter detent plate with 11 positive stops enhances productivity and ensures consistent angles for repetitive cuts. This feature saves time and effort by allowing you to quickly set the desired angles without guesswork. Here are some pros. Powerful 15-amp motor, precise bevel and miter cuts, tall sliding fences for crown and base molding, miter detent plate with positive stops for quick angle settings. Cons: relatively heavy and bulky, not the most portable option. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Comment below for any issues. I'm here to assist. Enjoy life with our cool products. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.